Hello everyone, this is Amit and today I'm going to show you guys how you can create HL license, burn that license into hardware dongle, and once this license is expired, how you can update it. In order to burn a hardware dongle, you need to connect it to the machine and make sure that your master key is also connected. So let's go ahead and do it. Log into Business Studio, put a username, password, server address and port number. Server address should be IP address or machine name of that machine where Business Studio server is installed. Okay. Now you need to create a new feature, so go to manage feature. Select your batch code over here and click on new. Enter feature name and go to advanced settings. Enter a feature ID, but make sure that this feature ID is available. Okay. Feature is defined. Now we'll have to create a new product, so go to manage product, new product. Give a product name like SRM based product and select locking type HASP HL only. Come to available feature list and select newly created feature. Click on define license and select license type according to your requirement. I'm gonna define your license based on number of executions. Okay, now here we can define number of executions now itself, but we have an option to define number of executions at the time when we produce order. Let me show you the steps. Select specify at order time. Okay. The license type has been defined. So come to manage order. You need to create new order for your customer. Select your customer and click on add to add your product. Select your product here and click on add. The product has been added. Now click on define to define number of executions. You can select number of executions as per your requirement. I select 2 here. Okay. The license is ready to be burned in hardware dongle. So click on produce. You can see here some valid hardware dongle in which this license type can be burned. So press burn. It will take few moments. Done. Let's go and check in Admin Control Center. Admin Control Center is an end user utility where we can check license details in a hardware dongle. The URL is http localhost 1947. Go to HASP keys. And here you can see a master key and user max key connected to the machine. It will display all HL key and SL key installed in this machine locally and in a network. Go to product to check burn product in this key. And here you can see SRM based product. It will display all the products burned into this key. Go to feature. And here you can see license details on this key under feature ID 6. Okay, now we need to check if this license works or not. First of all, we need to protect any application with feature ID 6. I'm gonna protect simple notepad.exe. So open envelope, put a username and password. Okay. It's open. Select your batch code and go to add programs. Browse your original application as input file. I just select notepad.exe. Select a location to save your protected application. You can select HASP search mode. I select local only and go to feature ID to select a valid feature. I select a newly created feature 6. Go to advanced settings and select locking type HASP HL only and click on protect. Protection completed successfully. Okay, now we have protected application and a valid license of 2 executions. So I can run this application 2 times. Let's check. And yes, it's running successfully. You can see here 2 sessions has been created and I have already run this application 2 times, so it shows license expired. Let's try to run this application once again, and yes, it says feature expired. Now, once this license expired and your customer wants an update, you will need to create a new order. Let me show you the steps. Go to manage order, new, select your customer and click on add product. Select your product here and for defining a new license, go to define. Select license according to your requirement. I just select one mode execution here. Okay. License is defined. Now we'll have to create an update, so select HASP update. The locate button has been enabled, so click on that. Here we have number of ways to create an update. We can create update by customer ID, product key, C2V file and HASP ID. You can use any of these options. Here I'm gonna use HASP ID, which is nothing but dongle ID. Let me check dongle ID in admin control center. Here it is 188884640. Enter this dongle ID and click on locate. You can see a HASP HL max key located in this field. Add it to the list. Okay. Click on produce now. Select a location to save this update. Here we have 2 options to create update file. We can create either V2C file or exe with V2C data. You can use any of these. I'm gonna use here exe with V2C data. Click on generate file. The order created successfully. Okay. You can see a HASP update file has been created on desktop. Just open it and click on apply update. Update written successfully. Let's check in admin control center. And yes, you can see 1 execution available. The HASP dongle has been updated with new license. And I can run my protected application one more time. It's running successfully. You can see a session has been created. And since there was only 1 execution available and I have used it, it shows license is expired. Just close this application and try to run one more time. And yes, it says feature has expired. So that was the complete steps to create HL license, burn that license into hardware dongle, and once this license is expired, how you can update it. I hope you would have understood. However, if you find any difficulties, you can contact us through C3 or support mail. Thank you.